Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new Doom the Dark Ages. In the last mission, we had to drive a massive mech and give the people left, right, good night. And in this video, we're just gonna do another mission.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Doom the Dark Ages.
About.
In the previous episode, we got a health boost and we saw a massive rocket launcher. Come on, come on. What the fuck? That's not a rocket launcher. It's also a fucking stupid gun. If we do not get rocket launchers or some form of grenade, I am gonna be disappointed. Not gonna lie, I'm not quite a fan of these secret areas. Feels like it takes too much time to actually do. Keeps me out of the flow of killing, which I very much liked from the other two.
Occult energy detected.
Honestly, I'm starting to see the vision now from this weapon. Whee! Hola, ¿cómo está? Señores o señoritas. I mean, it says low on health, but 50% is not really that low. I was just thinking about it. Is there any like thing I can use for a oh. Well, that's an upgrade stone. I needed those for some upgrade. What's that? Damn, I'm getting one gun after another. Alright, this has to be a grenade launcher. Damn, the range on this thing is ass. Holy shit. Okay, and it said it did a lot of damage, but I didn't think it would do that much. Oh, no, it just didn't... Wait. Oh. It's just an attachment. Oh, I fuck with that. No, I fuck with that. That was it. And we are alive yet again. There we go. That felt like a very unnecessary puzzle. But who am I to judge?
This attack on the barracks is a diversion. My father will need help. Ensign, mobilize the Slayer's dragon.
The Slayer's what now?
Marking the Slayer's HUD now.
I have a dragon? I mean, I knew from the trailer that there was going to be a dragon of some sort. But I have a dragon? And so early? Demons in the area are killed. Never mind. Ooh, an upgrade. That's not a boss anymore. That's a free upgrade. What the fuck, bro? He did not die. Right. Let's sell that. I cannot stay so words anymore, but thanks for the free upgrade. My words are not wording anymore, but thanks. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. To slay or not to slay? That is the question. Shut up, bro. I mean, not talking to myself, but stop shooting me. It's annoying. I was being poetic. Oh, what the fuck? Villain champion. Champion have gold armor, which can damage from weapons. Varying health, search attack will build up stun. Once stunned, fully attack with or deal heavy damage. Oh shit. So you pretty much have to play ping pong. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over to this one. Oh shit, there are more of them. I just have to parry his attack and all should be fine. The rest of the enemies we just kill and we're good. Mother. Can't you tell I'm kind of busy over here? Oh, this is really the best weapon I have. Make a run for it. I have so much bullets for the wrong weapons. Fuck, I don't have bullets. Fuck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck! Well, that's our first death. Sure. Sack of shit. I don't have bullets for my good guns anymore. I feel like my guns do damage at the very least. It said reduce damage. Motherfucker. Oh my god.
Aviary unlocked.
Well, that's our first
Clear the
death.
player's launch pad.
If you enjoyed this, definitely let me know. If my gameplay was ass, also let me know. Most likely both, or else you wouldn't have made it to the end. If you want to see more of me, you can press 2 buttons when the outro starts playing. Or you could just subscribe, because subscribing always helps, because I'll definitely be seeing what that dragon is all about.